Hey guys, Amit here for PhoneRadar and you're watching the unboxing of the Asus Zenfone 2 Deluxe. Asus had recently launched a series of different smartphones under the Zenfone 2 category, calling it as Deluxe, Laser and Selfie. There was one more smartphone which is not yet available in the market, but this is what we have right now. That's the ZE551ML device. The phone comes with some interesting hardware, so let me first unbox the package and show you what all comes within the same. So here within the package itself you have this Zenfone 2 Deluxe smartphone, which comes with a 13 megapixel pixel master camera, and it comes with a 5.5 inches full HD IPS display, a 64-bit super quad-core Intel processor chipset, and then you also have Asus Zen UI. The phone supports dual SIM with 4G LTE connectivity. Let's open up the package and show you what else comes here. So first off, what you have here is the warranty card and the user guide. Next, there is a micro USB cable and a travel adapter with 2 amps output. Now let's take a look at the Zenfone 2 Deluxe. The phone is available in two different color variants, the black and white, and what we have here is the black edition, but it doesn't really look black. Again, I don't know, you guys should judge and tell me what color it does actually look to you, considering that the package says it's black. Now the device comes with this 13 megapixel rear camera and also this removable back panel. Let's open up the back panel first. On the back you have the dual SIM card slot and the micro SD card slot, while on the actual back you can find the volume rockers and also the power on off switch, which is available on the top. Now on the back you also have this 13 megapixel rear camera with LED flash, and then you have the last speaker grill. On the sides you have just the slot to open the back panel, while on the left again there's nothing. On the bottom you have this micro USB cable slot and a microphone, while on the top along with the on off switch you also have the 3.5 headset jack and another microphone. Let's boot up this device and show you what else comes within the same. First off, as you can see here, the camera is actually placed here. That's perfectly 90 parallelly to this screen, but I am recording it from this angle. Now that is where the screen is not even clear to me, and I was expecting a better viewing angle, but that's the first initial impressions. Now next up, on the home screen you have few different folders, wherein the first one is from Asus, and it has all the brand related options, like you have the gallery, you have power saver, flashlight, calculator, clock, and the regular applications. Then you have the Google folder, which is obvious. Next you have the option of apps to you, which is a bunch of bloatware which comes onto this device. It ranges from the Amazon Kindle, Zenio, 50 plus games from Gameloft, and then TripAdvisor, Clean Master, Doctor Safety, and personally I would only go for Clean Master apart from all these other applications. Next up, there is also something called as Zen Link, which is for connectivity, and you have Asus support, My Asus, so overall a bunch of applications purely from Asus itself. Next, under the app drawer you have the option of customizing everything, and again by default it's always customized under different folders itself, and I feel that this is a lot of stuff which is already available onto this device. Let's quickly go to the settings first and check out the current OS update. So here by default the phone comes with Android 5.0, not 5.1.1, which you have seen on the other devices which are launched recently, like the OnePlus 2. Next up, let's check out the storage. Now storage is very important because Asus has been pretty straightforward and has offered 64 GB as the minimum variant, and the next option is of 128 GB, though the pricing of 128 GB is not yet available, but the 64 GB is actually available, and out of the box you have 54 GB available, and that is something which is very important. And the best part is that you also have the option of inserting a micro SD card, so that way this is something which is a device people should look forward to if they are using these smartphones for having a lot of media stored onto these devices. Now next up, under the notification area, this is how the notification section looks like, and you have most of the useful shortcuts and options available here itself. Let's quickly go on to the camera, because that is something which we are more keen to look forward and we are more interested on. So let's quickly capture a photo of object and show you how the picture would come out. So here we go. I had focused on the PhoneRadar mug which is in the background, and as you can clearly see, everything else had actually blurred to a decent extent, while the first capture, when I tapped onto these objects, actually everything went blurred within a fraction of a second, and that is pretty good. Now talking about the camera options, you get the option of controlling the white balance. You have the option of controlling ISO, camera resolution, which is set at actually 10 megapixel right now, and you can take it forward to 13 megapixel, wherein the aspect ratio would be 4:3. Next up, you have the image quality, wherein you can select fine or standard, and then you have touch shutter, when the moment you tap onto the screen it would capture photos. You also have the fast mode, that's a burst mode. I'll be just showing a demo of the same. And then the next thing is touch auto exposure. You have metering mode, that's on center weighted, and for video preference you have the focus on quality. Video stabilization is also available, and then in terms of video recording you have the option of full HD and 480p, while if you select the resolution video stabilization on, it's just limited to 720p, and if you go for full HD videos, then the video stabilization automatically goes off, and that is a very big issue, I would say, considering that I am more of a guy who captures a lot of photos and does a lot of videos and time lapses. If there's no video stabilization, then that would be a very bad experience, but we can only know once the camera review is up, once I start capturing a lot of photos. So that's the camera interface, and this is the phone's interface. Let me quickly check if the phone supports my USB OTG out of the box or not. And yes, out of the box the USB OTG drive is also supported, and it's clearly shown up here, and there's no issue in accessing this. That's about it. The device also supports the USB on the go devices, and you can obviously quickly share or move data to your device. Overall, as you can see, I've been having issues once in a while. Right now the whole interface has actually hanged while ejecting this USB OTG drive, and I guess the phone has actually got stuck, and the only solution is now power reboot. But that's about it. This would be one of those situations, and I can only know once I start using this phone, and this would be my primary phone from now for the next 1 to 2 weeks. So stay tuned on PhoneRadar for more. This was the unboxing of the all new Asus Zenfone 2 Deluxe smartphone, which comes with a very beautiful back panel, and this was the unboxing of the same. Let me know in the comment section if you have any queries, or you can tweet to me at Amit Bhavani, and I would be happy to answer that. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed for more. This is Amit signing off, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you.